It's home style that he needs. Home style that he needs. Home style. It's home style.
Hi, so today we're going to make baby food pouches as well as different combinations of baby food. Cadence has now tried just about all the fruits and all the vegetables that he's able to try right now at 7 months, and so now we're going to start doing some different combinations. So I thought it would be fun today to try out my Infinito baby pouch maker. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we got some sweet potatoes, some butternut squash, some purple potatoes, carrots, as well as some apple. We already had some heated up, steamed and ready, so we're going to go ahead and get started on those. So for this one, I'm going to do sweet potatoes and apples. Alright, so first we're going to go ahead and make a combination of the sweet potatoes and some apples. So let's first add some apples. And these are already steamed and they have some of the juices. I think maybe 3 slices of that. This is a half an apple. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some sweet potatoes. Enough. And now I'm going to add a little bit of breast milk. Again, you can use breast milk or formula or even just water if you want, but I just choose to use breast milk because I have so much of it. I'm going to have the whole thing. Hopefully that should be enough. Go ahead and put that on the blender. Out that texture to see how it came out. Yeah. It's got the nice creamy, not too thick, but I might, oh, this might be good. Nice and creamy and thick. Right, so we're going to go ahead and set up the pouches. So go ahead and start filling them. Okay, so we got the pouches all ready, and these are about 4 ounces, and he sometimes eats 4, sometimes eats between 2 and 4, so if it doesn't fill it all the way up to 4, I'm okay with that. So I'm going to go ahead and fill it up. It smells so good. How it goes. Okay, and just push it on in. It fills the pouch right up. See if you can. So easy, and it's such gives me peace of mind knowing that I made the baby food and I can see what's in it and I know what goes in it. So yeah, just push it all the way in. And I'm going to go ahead and take it out and see how it came out. And I think that should be enough. And it just screws right out. Yep, and just put the top on. And it's got a little line on the back so I can just write with a Sharpie exactly what it is. Alright, so we got our pouch filled up with our sweet potatoes. It's all labeled and apples. And since we have a little bit left over, I know it's not going to fill a pouch, so I'm just going to fill this little jar. Should be a perfect size, but I think it's just enough for it to fit. Just like if you wanted a little snack, or if he's not that hungry, this would be a good portion for him. Okay. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get the next combination set up. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get our sweet potatoes and butternut squash cooking on the steamer. We're going to set that on 5 because it is a hard vegetable. We're going to go ahead and make a carrot and apple combo. So we already steamed some apples and carrots. I'm going to go ahead and just pour that juice from the apple right on in there. We have the carrots all ready. And that was about a half an apple. And about 6 or 7 carrots. And I'm going to try it without the milk first because the apple had a lot of juice, and if it seems like it's too thick, I'll go ahead and add some milk. Alright, so we're going to check on the carrots and apples. Actually, it doesn't need anything. It's nice and pureed. Might be a little thick, but I think it should be fine. We might add a little milk just to thin it out just a little bit. So let's give it a check, and it should be perfect. Yep. Nice and creamy, not too thick. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to fill up our pouches. And this should be just the right amount for one. I'm just going to put the whole thing in. Ooh, it smells so good. Carrots and apples, so that tastes really good. He's not that big of a fan of the carrots, so I'm hoping the apples might help persuade him to become a fan of carrots. Alright, so we go ahead, give it a good push, and fill up these pouches. Yep, and that's a good portion. And unscrew it. Get the top. And you got it. Got your carrots and apples. So we're gonna make one more. Okay, so we're going to do one more combination, and we're going to do butternut squash and sweet potatoes. I wanted to do apples, but I ran out, so we're gonna try sweet potatoes and see how he does with it. I think it's gonna taste pretty sweet because of the sweet potatoes. But I'm definitely gonna add some milk to this because of the sweet potato. Great. Go ahead and give it a blend. Check on it, and it looks super thick, so I'm just going to probably add the remainder of the breast milk. Ooh, that smells so good. Yummy sweet potatoes. Alright, so let's check on this squash and sweet potatoes. Should be a good texture now, nice and thin, or nice and creamy and not too thick. Yep, perfect. Nice and creamy and smooth. So we're gonna fill up one more pouch, and this looks like probably more than one pouch. So whatever's left over, I'm gonna go ahead and fill the jar. Ahead and give it a good push. Take that off. And put a top on, and we're good to go. And so what's left over, we're going to go ahead and just fill up this jar. Okay, perfect. Alright, so everything is all sealed and put in the pouch and labeled. And I can't wait to try these. I'm going to go ahead and put these in the refrigerator because I know he'll definitely eat these in the next 2 days. Yeah, so that concludes my video. Please feel free to leave a comment, tell me what you think. Let me know if you tried the recipe or if you have any twists that you did to the recipe to make it your own. Also, please subscribe and like my channel, and I'll see you later. Have a good night. Bye.